What's good people, in this video we are going to talk about what is the basic difference between a service based company and a product based company. We are also going to talk about from a perspective of an employee which company he should join and at which stage of his life. Firstly let's understand what is the basic difference between a service based company and a product based company. To understand what is the difference, we need to understand the work type these two companies do. A service-based company is a company which builds products for its clients and ship that products to the client. Let's say my company have a client named Oriental Bank. That Oriental Bank wanted to build an app in which customers of the bank would be able to see their balance, their ledgers and all other details. So they would contact my company would negotiate with the client, then we would assemble a team and then build a product and ship to the bank. So this is the work of a service company. A product-based company, on the other hand, builds certain products, sells subscription of those products to the customers, and then maintain the product. Those products are their own products, right? So some example of product-based company are Microsoft, Google. Microsoft build MS Office, Google have Gmail, Android, and all other softwares which they charge from the clients, right? So this is the basic difference between service-based company and a product-based company. If you are an intern and you want to do an internship to learn things, so in which company you should go? According to me, if you are an intern and if you want to do an internship, you should go for a service-based startup. That startup would give you more exposure. That startup would give you more opportunity to work on more products and more different environments. On the other hand, if you go for a product-based company, that company would not give you opportunity to work on any real-life project. Let's say they have a management software running. They would not give you opportunity to work on that project, as that project is their life project. But on the other hand, if you go for a service-based company, that company would would have highly chances of integrating you in a team, and in that team you would be working on some real life module. So you would end up learning more. Once you are done with internship and you are looking for your first job, also at that time you should focus on going on some service-based company or some service-based startup. Advantages of going to a service-based company is that you would be able to work on multiple domains. For let's say for first 3 or 4 months you are working on a banking application. After that you are working on a news portal. After that you are working on a new technology and augmented reality application. So in that process you would learn more. You would be able to interact with more senior people. You would be able to learn more in the process. On the other hand, if you go for a product-based company, you would be working on a single product. As you are a fresher, so they would not be giving you much new modules to work on. They would be giving you bugs and maintenance work. So that would be a difference. Pay scale would also be a difference. Service-based company would pay you less. Product-based company would pay you more. As a fresher, there are highly chances that a product-based company would not pick you, as they want some experienced people to join them. They do not have army of people. They do not have hundreds of developers. They have some 10 or 15 developers which work on their product dedicatedly. On the other hand, companies like Wipro, Infosys, TCS, they have hundreds and thousands of developers. They have army of developers. So they give lesser salary. So this is the basic difference. Once you attain an experience of 3 to 5 years, then you should switch to a product-based company, as now the product-based company would pay you more. You have experience, so they would easily hire you, and also you would be able to work on some good projects. You would be able to earn good amount of money, and those product-based company would also be willing to share some stake of the company with you, because they want to retain you. They do not want to work with you for some years and then let you go, because once you work for some years with them, you have good knowledge about the application, and if in emergency some bugs appear, you would be able to solve those bugs very easily, right? But that's not the case with the service company. Service company do not want to retain you much, because as time goes, you would be a more expensive resource for them, and they would likely to replace you with 2 junior resources. Let's say you are taking a salary of 10 lakhs from them, so and you are working for a single guy. You have experience, that is good enough, but you are working with the capacity of a single guy. in future they wanted to replace you with two junior devs who are taking 3 lakhs each, so they would say 4 lakhs, because for two junior resources they are paying 6 lakh rupees, and for you they are paying 10 lakh rupees, right? So this is the mindset of the difference company, service based and product based. If you are intern, go for a service startup. If you are early in your career looking for first job, then also go for a service based startup. Once you have an experience of more than 5 years, then you should go for a product based company. I hope this video added certain value to life. If it did, make sure you follow us on various platforms, and also we have a podcast named Hustle with Hussain Safi. You can listen to that as well.